Alright, since we're done with the explanation of the mean, median and mode, let's start solving now. Right, so 14.4, the first question: the following number of goals were scored by a team in a series of 10 matches. Right, you can already see what are they asking us to find: the mean, the median and the mode of these squares. Okay, so we'll start by finding the mean. So if you remember, what is the formula? Sum of all observations divided by total number of observations. Sum means plus, right? So you get all of them. Okay, 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. You can already see here that I've written all I've added all the observations here, right? You don't have to add this 0, right? But I'm just showing. Okay, all right. Now total number of observations, how many? 10, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Of course the question is already given to us. All right, so if you add all the observations, you'll get 28 divided by 10, which in terms will give us a mean, which is 2.8. so 2.8 goals, right? The average goal score. Now while we are doing this, trying to find a median, remember that we have to arrange the observations either in ascending or descending order. But if you look here, I have done it in the ascending order. Okay, now if you count again, how much was the number of observation? 10, right? Which is even. That is why we'll be using this formula for median: n by 2 term plus n by 2 plus 1 bracket term. Okay, n is how much? 10, right? So I've written 10. Wherever n is, you write 10, and then I can divide now. 2 1s are 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2 5s are 10. So I'll have the fifth term here, and here 5 plus 1, right? So I've written a 5 plus 1, which will give me 6th. Okay, so I have the fifth and the sixth term. So let's see what are they. So these are first term, second term, third term, fourth term. So this is my fifth term, right? So I've written here 3, and even my sixth term is 3. All right, so once we're done with it, 3 plus 3 will give us 6, and then from here we'll get the median to be 3. All right, now for mode, pretty simple. The frequency or the observation that is repeating the most, right? If you look here, it is 3. You can see that 3 is repeating 4 times, right? That is why our mode will simply be 3. All right, let's do one more question from here again. All right, almost the same thing in a mathematics test given to 15 students, right? So total number of observation is 15. The following marks were obtained. You can already see that they've given us. So same thing again, right? Find the mean, the median and the mode of this data. So let's start by finding the mean again. Formula: sum of all observations divided by total number of observations. So I'm adding all the observations here. All right, and then total number of observation 15, right? If you start counting, all right, 1 2 3 4 5 6, like that, we have it till 15. All right, so you add all the observation, you'll get 822 divided by 15, and once you divide, you'll get 54.8. all right, now let's find the. So once again, remember that while we're trying to find a median, I have to arrange the observation in ascending or descending order. All right, so what did we do again? I've arranged the observation in the ascending order again. All right, so like they've given, and if you see the number of observation, how much is it? It is 15, right? So 15, which means it is odd. So for odd, the formula is just n plus 1 divided by 2, right? N is how much? 15. Then 15 plus 1, 16, right? So 2 1s are 2 8s are 16. So I'll get her what? The 8th term, right? So first term, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, and this is our 8th term. So our median is 52. How do you find the mode again? We just have to find see which frequency is repeating the highest, right? If you look here, you will see that 52 is 3 times, right? More than the others. That is why my mode is 52.